Understanding all fogged up in English. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the colorful world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning and usage of the expression, all fogged up. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video will clear up any confusion, just like a window wiper on a misty day. The term, fogged up, comes from the literal fog we see on windows. When there's a difference between the temperature and humidity on either side of the glass, it causes condensation and the glass becomes foggy. You can't see through it clearly. This physical phenomenon is the basis for the metaphorical use of the phrase. In a figurative sense, all fogged up can describe a situation where things aren't clear or when someone's thoughts are confused. Imagine your mind is like that window, and it's hard to see your thoughts clearly. When you're overwhelmed with emotions or have too much on your mind, you might say you're all fogged up. Let's look at some examples of how to use all fogged up in everyday English. Emotional context. After watching the touching movie, my mind was all fogged up with emotions. Stressful situations. With all these deadlines at work, I'm feeling all fogged up. Physical state. I walked into the warm room from the cold outside, and my glasses got all fogged up. To remember this phrase, think of a time when your bathroom mirror got fogged up after a hot shower. Just like the mirror, your visibility of clear thoughts can get all fogged up by various factors. And that's a wrap on all fogged up. I hope this video has cleared the air and given you a new expression to use in English. Keep practicing, and don't let your learning journey get all fogged up with doubts. See you in the next video.